Welcome to CandyIcons. We'll quickly show you how to redeem your deal and start making awesome icons straight away. In your Appsumo dashboard, copy your unique code and click the yellow Redeem Now button. The button will take you to this page. Now, simply enter your first name, email, and unique code. And you're all set. To start making icons, describe what you want to make in simple words, choose the colors you want, select a style, and click Generate. Once your icon is ready, click on it to open the download menu. You can get it in full size, create a favicon, or resize it for iOS. Back on the home page, you can see the number of credits you have left in the top right corner. They will renew automatically on the 1st of each month. If you get logged out, don't worry. Simply click Add a License Key button when creating your icon and you'll be right back in. If you have any questions at all, reach out to hello@candyicons.com anytime.